everybody, we're just installing Roddo's new Prezi today on the Mega Life Battery. Wicked little setups these guys. So you only need a 10mm socket or a 10mm spanner to install it. Quick out, it took about 5 minutes to get it done. So even a blondie like me can put this thing in. So I've done one side, we're just going to tighten up the other side. Good to go. It's now installed, so I'm just going to give you a few facts about this battery. So the standard factory battery that comes from Toyota weighed in, and I'll put a picture up here shortly for you to hear it here, that weighed 22.10 kilos, and this battery weighs 9.85. So the beauty of these batteries, guys, is that they're lithium. And instead of if you ever had a flat battery before and you'd have a dual battery setup or one would go flat, you'd have to get out of the lithium Jumpstart pack. You simply press this little button, goes blue, go in, jumpstart your car. So it's basically got 2 packs inside. One main pack and one reserve pack. So that's exactly what it does. It jumpstarts you without having to have a second battery on board, which again is better on weight. Yeah, so once you have restarted your vehicle by pushing this blue button, you come back out and you press it back off. It has a little bit of a caution sticker there to tell you to turn it off after you've started your vehicle. So much like a dual battery setup, this has got a battery management system, a BMS, inside this pack. Right, so that BMS will control all the input and output to the battery. Alright guys, so just to recap on why this is such a good battery, it's less weight, it's got a built-in BMS which saves you having a dual battery setup, and such an easy installation. I mean, I've just done that myself this morning, so it's pretty good. So the beauty of this battery is it has a 3-year warranty, guys. It has 1300 cold cranking amps. Got that right? Yeah. Alrighty, so don't forget guys that not only is this half the weight of the standard factory battery that came out, it would be a quarter of the weight if you had a dual battery setup in here. So that, you know, when you're traveling and touring and all that sort of thing, weight is a big factor in our vehicle. So yeah, pretty happy with this setup. So we'll let you know as we go along how it's traveling. Roddo's just about to start up this Mega Life battery. Look at that. Listen to that. Oh yeah. Look at this baby. Rod's having a bit of a play there. Alright everybody, so just make sure once you've installed it that you've tightened all your bolts up and your brackets, and then every 100 kilometres just come out and, you know, make sure it's all safe and sturdy and tight in there. Yeah. So that's it from us today. Merry Christmas everybody. Peace everybody, and chowdy bye.